How to fix chat in Roblox on PS4. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding fixing chat in Roblox on the PlayStation 4 and whether it's feasible or not. As you can observe, I'm currently recording this on my PC where text and voice chat are accessible. By clicking on the small icon at the top left of the screen, I can communicate with others through the text. Additionally, if a microphone is available, I can enable voice chat. Many players wonder if these features can be utilized in the console versions of the Roblox, such as PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, or Xbox, and however, upon attempting to access any experience on Roblox through a PlayStation 4, the chat icon is not present, and even with the microphone setup, voice chat remains inactive. Currently, there is no workaround available as Microsoft and Sony policies restrict chat features on the console versions of Roblox due to the specific age-related game requirements for communication features. Since Roblox is a free and aimed at all the age groups, text and voice chat cannot be integrated without affecting the game's rating. The intention of this video is to provide clarity on the unavailability of chat on the PlayStation 4 version of the Roblox and the underlying reasons. I trust that this video has addressed your queries. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.